In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix high CPU usage in Google Chrome. If Chrome is slowing down your computer or using too many resources, follow these steps. First, open Google Chrome. Click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner, then scroll down and select Settings. From the left-hand side, click on System. Make sure use hardware acceleration when available is turned on. Then click Relaunch. Once Chrome restarts, go back to the menu and scroll down to About Chrome. Here, check if your browser is up to date. If there's an update available, install it. Now click on the three dots again, go to Extensions, and select Manage Extensions. Go through the list and disable or remove any extensions you don't use. Extensions can use a lot of CPU in the background. Next, click on the three dots again, go to More Tools, and open Task Manager. Here, you can see which tabs or processes are using the most CPU. If you find something using too many resources, select it and click End Process. Only end processes like tabs or extensions, avoid ending system processes. After that, open your Windows Task Manager and check if CPU usage has improved. And that's it, your Chrome CPU usage should now be reduced. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.